Marvell is heating up the feeds after reports surfaced about a potential $3.25 billion acquisition of Celestial AI, a move that could dramatically reshape the company's AI hardware roadmap. Traders and analysts alike are buzzing about what this could mean for Marvell's competitive position in the fast expanding data center and custom silicon markets. Layered onto that is Marvell's strong Q3 earnings report, which not only beat expectations, but also highlighted accelerating demand from hyperscale cloud providers. Management signaled significant data center revenue growth ahead, reinforcing the narrative that Marvell is becoming a central player in the custom ASIC and optical connected AI compute boom. Across the community, discussion is swirling around the potential synergies with Celestial AI, particularly the promise of integrating its advanced optical interconnect technologies into Marvell's custom silicon platforms. Many see the acquisition as a validation of optical based AI acceleration, a space that's suddenly becoming one of the hottest battlegrounds in semiconductors. Meanwhile, analysts have responded quickly with upgrades and raised price targets, pointing to strengthened long term earnings potential and expanded total addressable market. Some traders are considering locking in profits after the rapid move, especially given the tense macro backdrop and broader tech volatility. But a growing number of long term investors are leaning into the upside, arguing that Marvell's strategic positioning and now possibly Celestial AI's tech stack makes it one of the clearest mid cap beneficiaries of the AI infrastructure supercycle. All told, the Marvell conversation is turning into a debate between immediate gains and the possibility of a much bigger long term re rating, one powered by sharper execution, deeper cloud partnerships, and a potentially transformative acquisition.
Okay, MRVL is showing a fractional amount of gain. Okay, well, a fractional amount of gain within a longer term neutral to bullish trend. Okay, that's the neutral to bullish trend. This 200-day moving average, it underscores the underlying trend. Okay, it's been showing the strength since Friday the 21st. Yeah, this is now 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks, get into 2 weeks of non-stop extension. I think for just one day it just probably it declined just briefed slightly, so do the maths. From the 21st, that's so far 10 plus, including today 13, 12 out to the score is 12 out of 13. That's quite high, very high, you know but unfortunately this extrapolation got maybe wrong. It's saying that it might contract from today, but the reverse seems to be what is happening. There's a good chance it might hold this gain of 6.95% up to the close of today's trading session. So today is Wednesday, the 3rd of December 2025. So as things stand right now on this daily chart, which is not active, the projections are saying 90. Okay, beginning with the downward projections, we have 72.89, 76.57, 82.53. Upper projections are saying okay, 99.97, 104.48. There's also 92.69. It is a slight downward projection. There are even high projections as high as 112.28, 124.97, 132.81. There's ample room to the upside for the stock. It's not a problem. But let's have a look at the 4-hour chart, which is currently active right now. On the 4-hour chart, there the extrapolation is saying that it's actually contracting. Yeah, it's contracting, so it is very much in effect. Yeah, but yeah, very much in effect right now. And maybe from tomorrow's pre-market session, it might resume the uptrend. Okay, and then after that, it might also contract. But at least towards the Monday the 8th, there's a good chance it might. There's a chance that it might, extend its the strength it has picked up since the 21st of November up till then. The 40 period moving average on this 4-hour chart is equally rising to catch any possible rebound. Okay, There's, yes, ample room to the upside. The algos are saying that momentum is going to continue to decay, going all the way towards the 12th of December. Okay. Yeah, it's this stock has just had a very a decent run of upward momentum or strong momentum. So it's yeah, saying that it might continue to decay, but not saying that it's going to go down to the lows it had as of the 19th of 18th of December. Okay, so the fact that or rather the fact that the algos are extrapolating weakening momentum does not mean that the stock may not will not continue to print higher prices. It's just that momentum, it wouldn't be as strong as it has been before. It takes the sort of momentum you need to go from $1 to $4 is very high, but most certainly not the case for going from $10 to $14. That's totally obviously, you can imagine, from 1 to 4 is 4 times, but from 10 to 14 is not. Even 10 to, yeah, 10 to, 10 to 14 is not the same. Okay, so it has it printed, okay, let's have a look. So far, volatility is expected to get stronger in the coming days. Okay, let's see now. Okay, intraday high yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday 108.46. Yeah, 108.46. The probability of it retesting that is, let's see what we have. Not very high, not very high, but it's also within tiny probabilities that you find out that high prices still go ahead and print. Yeah, so stock is currently trending right now. Let's see what how they are trading the stock right now. Yeah, liquidity is not fantastic. You can see the spread between the ask and the bid is huge, 44 cents. 44 cents. You don't want to get involved with that, but people might decide to they might ignore that. They might ignore that. They might the spread may not be a problem for them, but it is something. It is an issue. It can be an issue. It can be an issue. Yeah. Yeah, so have a look and see what you make of MRVL. It's been trending for some time now, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.